Today I am using this reference. It has this amazing flow throughout the body. Arms are just like a ribbon, feet are weightlessly just flowing with the flow. Have you ever experienced this situation in life where you are in the air just hanging, looking for a solid ground to land on? But in life this in-air situation stays longer or feels very long where we do not know, only time has that answer. But I always believe that everything happened for a good reason. So whatever done is done, nothing we can change, we just have to wait for the time to reveal, was it just a mere mistake or we just landed on a solid ground? Right now, you can help me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. It will give me a boost and motivation. This penguin is remind me of Left Behind. Have you ever felt that in life, where everyone is moving pretty smoothly and for some reason your life didn't match the pace with others? Yes, then you are not alone, my mate, and it's fine to slow down. Slow down does not mean the end, it can be a new beginning, it can be a new opportunity to start fresh. And this penguin just landed. I think he was relieved that he landed safely. I think it is just our faith in the universe and belief that everything will end well and we all land safely. This is the final result. Comment down, and if you like it, please like and subscribe for more.